cute this is. Yeah, I seen that one there. Look at that. This is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And this is My Life as Rudolph, I guess. I don't know what this is for. It's a 32-piece set. So it comes with a little outfit. Open a new item each day for your doll. 24 doors to open.
It's like the candy countdown to Christmas, but instead of candy,
it has outfits.
Some of the outfit, little accessories and stuff.
All right, so this is something for My Life doll, I guess. Includes 31 total surprises. 1 Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer outfit. There you go, right here. So many great surprises inside. So it comes with all this. All right, so I have no clue what this is, but all I know is look at Manny's face. We just scanned it and we're definitely getting these. They have about 4 of them. And hold on, wait a minute. Let me show the UPC. All right, there's the UPC. If you guys can grab these, grab them. For the simple fact, look at Manny's face, and his face never lies.
Let me tell you how difficult it is.
Wait a minute.
To not grab these things.
All right, so it says it's $27.97 was the regular price, and it's down to $9. Is that the right price? We're gonna scan it for you guys. We're gonna make sure that they're $9. Super cute. I think they're all the same too. So again, that's the UPC. All right, you ready? All right, we're scanning. Look at that, they are $9. And look at Manny. There he goes. So it looks like they got 4 or 5. And again, those are only $9. I decided to go down this aisle because I've never heard of My Life. And I guess these are My Life dolls. I have no clue. Let us know below because we are new to this My Life. But look at how cute this is. This has the Hello Kitty. And it looks like this is a sofa. Super cute. Oh, look right here. Look, babe. It folds out into a bed. Oh, let me see. Okay, so you open it up and it folds up out into a bed. It's a sofa. Look at the color, pink. There's the Hello Kitty. I am going to show you the UPC. You guys have to run to Walmart. Look at this. It says regular price $14.97, so almost $15. And it has the $9 sticker price on there. But you guys know.
I'm going to tell you right now. Anything Hello Kitty.
Okay, that's enough. We're going to scan. That's enough. We tell them too much, okay? All right, look at this, you guys. Now, you guys remember the sticker said $9. Look at this. Boom. $4. $4. And while we're at it, look at this. Now, I don't know if this is on sale. I just seen it right now. Look how cute that is. It's a little pillow. So these are accessories for those dolls.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and scan the dolls. I'm going to scan that Hello Kitty. These are the dolls, you guys. They're really cute. Is that one on sale? Okay. So, Manny just scanned this Hello Kitty pillow right here. And this is actually regular price. But these right here are scanning at $4. So we're going to take these for $4 with the matching sleeping bags. So to all of our followers and subscribers, if you guys have one of these My Life as dolls and you guys need the Hello Kitty sleeping bag and also the couch, come to Angel on the Go. We'll hook you up. We'll give you a good price. There's some more Hello Kitty stuff right here. Look how cute that is. That's cute. I don't know if it's on sale. All right, you guys, we're going to keep scanning and we'll let you know if we find anything else. This is super cute, you guys. Super cute. All right, you guys, we are still in Walmart. Look what we found. This is only on Angel on the Go.
Why you bullying?
Look at this. This is My Life. We've been finding so many My Life as, whatever it is, comment below. But we have been actually scanning the Hello Kitty. So this is the Hello Kitty bakery playset. And this one has 44 pieces. So 44 piece set. Look at this. I gotta step back. This box is huge. Hey, look at this. So you get all of this. I'm gonna go really slow. Look at these cute Hello Kitty, look like teacups. There's a tea kettle, couple plates, cups. Look, it's like little milkshakes. So these are for like the dolls, like these right here.
Exactly what's for.
And that's their accessories. Okay. So this is the first time we've seen this. All right, they have a cash register, the Hello Kitty. What are these? Oh, like table markers. You know, when someone takes your order, I guess. I don't know, I'm just guessing.
Oh, you're talking about that.
Yeah, these right here. They have this little bench, and then they have, oh, like this is when they the customers look. That is so cute. So what are these, cookies and stuff? Look at the drinks, the cookies. This is the cutest set. I wish my girls played with this, but they don't. So guess what we're doing with this? Selling it. So again, this is the Hello Kitty bakery playset. Can you turn around? Look how big this box is. Oh, that's what it looks like. All right, so the doll stands here. She has all her bakery stuff. She can sit down right here. This is super cute. Look, I gotta step all the way back. Look at this. You guys are not gonna believe this price.
So it has the whole like background, looks like.
Does it?
Got to.
Okay. So we think that it comes with this whole background right here. And it comes with all of this stuff. So basically it comes with everything except for the doll. You guys got to get the dolls separately.
Reversible background.
Okay, so right here. So look for more dolls in store online. Okay. Oh, look at the Hello Kitty outfits they have on. We got to find those. Reversible background. And again, 44 pieces. Here's the UPC right here. There you guys go. I'm going to keep it on for a couple more seconds because you guys definitely have to screenshot this. You're not going to believe this price. Again, this is the My Life as Hello Kitty bakery playset. And Manny's going to go ahead and scan. Look at this, you guys. Boom. $15. $15. And what's so funny that it was sitting right up in this hole right here. And we weren't finding nothing at this Walmart. We've been down every toy aisle. We haven't found nothing. And I said, let's scan this one. And it came up 15. Look at this. $15. 15. I wish there were more. All right, so we don't have a cart because we actually left our cart way down here because we weren't finding anything. So we're going to go ahead and take this, go down a couple more aisles and check out. We definitely got to look up here to see if there's any more. But what is that?
Mixers and all that.
Oh yeah, that's another video. But again, you guys have to start looking for the My Life as. And tip, just go ahead and scan all of the Hello Kitty My Life as and see if it's on sale. Good luck. Woo-hoo.